Hey, if all you care about is the giveaway, just go to like 4 minutes and 45 seconds of the video. You ain't got to watch the whole thing. Although I wish you would, but don't say I ain't never done nothing for you. What up, boys? Welcome back to the channel where we do shit Colts way. I got me and my best man back here. Y'all thought I done cut that mullet. What you talking about? I done tricked y'all, son. You don't want it. Let them freaking bald eagles just fly. Anyway, today I'm gonna do a giveaway. I got this Golo jump start thing for trucks. You know, it was between there to the GB, I think 150. That one's got more cold cranking amps or whatever, and it's a little bit cheaper, and all the reviews on it were great. Man, I know it'll start power stroke like it ain't nothing. I've started a Freightliner bucket truck at the yard with it, and it cranked it right up, so I ain't worried about it. But we'll go over this here a little bit later. I'm gonna give this away, have a little drawing or whatever. But I'm gonna head out to the camp right now. Me and my best man, the Ranger, and this badass mullet. We're heading out to the camp. I'm gonna put some cameras up, some deer corn, and we'll go from there. But we're gonna go past this bridge real quick because it's 8:47 in the morning. I'm sweat the F down because I should have loaded up last night. But I want to hear freedom in this exhaust rattle against the side of that bridge. So I'm gonna pause it till we get close, and then we're just gonna let her roar. Whoa! If you don't like that, you're communist, son. That's the sound of freedom. Whoa! Freedom and testosterone. I love it. So does my man back there. He's all pumped because he knows when that shit happens, it's about to go down, son. Let's roll. All right, so we just got to the spot. I'm gonna go put my feeder up and some corn. I ain't got a video of that, but I got me some rat shot here. I always bring, you know, I got a full mag, but I always put about 2 rat shot first, just going down here in this wet area, whatever, cottonmouths. Unless you live in the South, you don't know. But the devil ain't sneaking up on me today, son. So after we get this, I got one more spot to go, and then we'll go over the giveaway. So stay tuned. All right, well, it's so daggum hot. I was trying to film out there and my camera overheated, had to turn it off. So I just went and did what I had to do. Run back to the camp real quick, grab a latte. I got one more stand to check out. Let me put this daggum camera down because I just can't even wait to crack this son of a bitch right here. Let me just put this in. My camera died on me as I'm push. Damn, that's a good sound. But look, it's too hot out here to do pretty much anything, so I'm just gonna get done what I gotta do. I'm gonna go back to the house, and I'll do the giveaway at the house, because this ain't Diesel. You think you can drink any louder, son? Because it just ain't any. It's too hot. I mean, I had some good footage. Went back to look at it. The camera says temperature. I said, oh, come on, man. So we'll just do the giveaway at the house. Sorry to keep hagging y'all along. It's just too miserable out here. But on a better note, well, how good does this look? I've been going on way too long about this. So that mullet flow, let's let it roll. So what it is, it's go low, whatever. It's basically a jump starter for your vehicle. It's you can also charge things off it, like your cell phone or anything from a USB, really. But I know that the NOCO brand is the most well known, but this damn thing right here's got 4,000 amps running through this thing. It's bad to the bone. And like I said, I know it'll start this truck like it ain't damn nothing. Start the Freightliner bucket truck at the office. So I mean, it's bad, but it comes in this little case right here. A little user's manual down there, a little flap. I don't know if you can see. So what comes in it is like got your wall charger, your plug that you plug in, then the cigarette type charger, USB-C, and then of course your jumper cables come with it. Now the jumper cables, they're going to go on the side right here. You'll lift this little lip and put them in there like that. So of course it's just like any other damn jumper cables. You'll turn it on. It's got a built-in flashlight, 2 USB ports to charge, USB type C right there. You can check the battery level, how much you got. It's fully charged. I'm gonna send this bitch to you fully charged. So and say you try to jump something off and it doesn't quite have enough ass to jump it off. What you'll do, and this is all in the owner's manual, but there's a little boost button right here. So like if it ain't wanting to turn over, which it's gonna, but if it ain't, like the Freightliner, I do have to use the boost on that. If you want to like show enough burn it up, I ain't gonna burn it up, but you know what I mean. You push this boost button right here when it's plugged in, and then it'll give you all the power. It won't try to have any safety things. It's gonna give you the juice. But these things are extremely handy just to have, you know. Like if I want to start doing my camping videos. If my battery's dead, I mean, I'm screwed. I don't have nobody else to jump me off. This thing right here is going to get me out of a bind. And you know, I just want to say thank all y'all for 10,000 subscribers. I never, you know, my channel has grown pretty good here lately, and it's because of y'all. It ain't because of me. It's because of y'all. So I just wanted to say, you know, I appreciate y'all for all the help and support, and you know, just everything you've done for me. You know, it's awesome, and I just appreciate it. I know this ain't the best giveaway in the world. You know, some people give away a lot more expensive things, but this is something that I feel like that can help whoever wins the giveaway. It's not just some, oh, you got this. Like, this is gonna help you someday. And when it does, that's what it's meant for. So I'll send the box and everything to your mailing address. I'll write you a little note. How we're gonna do this giveaway is, so all you gotta do to be entered in it is just comment in the comment section. All you gotta do is just comment. If you can comment a picture of an American flag, or you can, like if you're on a computer, you don't have emojis, so you can type in USA or America. It has to be the flag or something USA, America. I don't care if you get into the comment section and say, Colt, you're the coolest son of a bitch I know. I love you so much. Your truck's the bomb. I'm not entering you. Like, I appreciate the kind words, but you're not entered into the drawing. In order to be entered into the drawing, you better put USA, America, or American flag, something. Like I said, you could say my wife's the most beautiful woman in the world, which she is, but she still ain't entered. It's got to be USA, America, something with this great country. So that's how we're gonna enter you into the drawing, and then I'll once it's over, today's the 15th, we'll let it run. I kind of want to get it done by next weekend, so between Friday, Saturday, and Sunday of next weekend, well, 15, 16, I got to come up with a real damn date. So we'll just say you've got to have your entries in, like you said, you got to comment American flag or whatever by the 21st. So that's 6 days. If you don't have, you know, if you don't have your comment in by the 21st, like whatever's commented after that, you ain't in it. Sorry, like I can't enter you because I'm cutting it off on the 21st because I need to get this out. I need to start rolling out the channel with other things, and it took too long to get to this point right here, but I thank y'all so much. So I thought we was gonna go this whole video without the third. You crazy. Oh, what's that? Y'all thought we was gonna go the whole video without the American flag. Now it's on the shades, but I ain't talked to Old Glory here lately. Now this right here is a freedom funnel. This right here is gonna be this is gonna be in every video, if I can help it. So we got right here, freedom funnel. If you want one, go to freedomfunnel.com. I don't get nothing from them. I bought the damn thing. It took a month and a half to get here. I tried to get it for the 4th of July, but this is badass. This is the kind of shit I like to do. So we're gonna test it out for the first time on camera. So what you do is you pour your latte in there. I'm pumped about this. What? You got your full latte in there. There's a hole there, hole here. I'm sure you can figure it out, but you just lift it up and the air comes in there. So, America. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Freedom funnel. This is gonna have a special place in the duty. I don't know where I'm putting it, but I'm putting it on the side. You know, it's a damn shame kids nowadays ain't gonna know what it's gonna be like. Well, my kids will. Sit around a bonfire, take the top off some Boone's farm. You lost the top, so you gotta finish the damn thing. Everybody's gonna be, you know, nobody wants to swap spit or anything else. I got an open invitation to anybody who wants to hit this freedom funnel. You holler at your boy. If you're in town, we're gonna hit it together. I ain't worried about no damn cooties or germs or whatever the hell you got. But look, enough of the rant. You know, I appreciate y'all so much for watching. I appreciate y'all for subscribing, commenting back and forth. I love to interact with y'all. That damn bush went way too soon, so let's pop another. Anyway, thank y'all from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate it. Like I said, if you want to be entered in the drawing, you got to be entered in by the 21st. America, USA, American flag. It's got to be one of those to get into the drawing. So I'll cut it off on the 21st, and you know, we'll do the drawing. I'll probably do it, you know, write all the names down, get my little daughter in there, and I'll grab her hand and I'll put it in there and let her be part of it. Or so I don't know how I'm gonna do it yet, but moral of the story is we're gonna have a drawing, and it's gonna be fair. And I'm gonna give you till the 21st to get it done. So once you win, I select the winner. I'll do another video saying the winner, and then I'll contact you on your comment and get your address. You can either email it to me, whatever you want to do, just, you know, to keep it off the interwebs. But once again, I appreciate the hell out of y'all. I hope y'all liked the little drone footage. I bought a drone. I bought some other things for the channel that I'm trying to grow the channel and make it better for y'all. Got microphones coming, you know, so it's gonna have a little bit more things. The channel hopefully can grow, and I can put out better footage and better content for y'all. But once again, man, I thank the hell out of y'all. I appreciate everything, and God bless.